Hey everybody, welcome back to Ancient Texts Revealed. In this movie, I wanted to just go through and show you, there was a time when I had a problem pronouncing a phrase. I'll show it to you. So if I go to Genesis 6:2 interlinear here, and I see that we have this phrase about the daughters of men like that, you're not going to get the Hebrew here to pronounce it for you because they're just going to say the root word. And so you might have a hard time figuring out how to pronounce this. So what I would do is I make use of Google Translate. Let me show you this. I'll re-highlight this so I have just that little bit there. And I right click and I select copy, or you notice here you can do Control C either way. Not sure how it works on the Mac. I think it's probably Command C. I will copy this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to Google Translate. Now you've got a couple of ways that you can work this tool is fantastic. I love Google Translate. And so I could just type in daughters of men because that's how the scripture says it. And in Hebrew you can see that it writes it out here and I can play it. Let's see what it sounds like.
בנות של גברים.
Okay, well that's not exactly what we have in the scripture here. It doesn't look quite like that. So what I would do then is I would come in here to this side, set my language to Hebrew. Where is it? They moved it up a little bit. They keep adding languages to this. And then I'm going to go ahead and paste in that particular thing and translates the daughters of men. And then if I play it, here's what it sounds like.
את בנות האדם. את בנות האדם.
Et nota adam. So
את בנות האדם.
there you go. That is a way that I would use Google Translate to help you pronounce difficult words that are not the root of a Hebrew word. Now remember that when you're using a Hebrew lexicon, a dictionary, lexicon is the same word as a dictionary, it's going to give you the root word. So like here is Elohim, but this is Ha Elohim, the sons of God. So that's the idea. So I hope you enjoyed this. That's all I've got. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.